Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can add text to speech in Filmora. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Filmora application, and first of all, I'm going to add text to this project, and I'm going to show you how we can add text to speech. I'm going to go to the titles, and then I'm just going to choose for example this one, and then I'm going to type in I'm just going to type in hello guys, and I'm going to make this text speak for me. Okay, now the text has been edited guys, and then I'm going to go to the text to speech to add text to speech. Okay, and for the language we can choose English because I'm writing in English language. And for the voice, you can choose the free voice. Wait, I'm still searching for it. Okay, you can use the free one. I'm just going to choose Andrew, for example. Okay, and we can
Wondershare Creativity Simplified.
oops, sorry. We can click on try free. Here we need to use credits to create text to speech guys. Alright, and now the text to speech has been added to my video.
Hello guys.
This is the result, and you can continue the editing. Okay guys, and that's all the way to text to speech in Filmora. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.